it's about love and inclusion and the desire for equality. And I'm expressing that through color, through the rainbow, monochromatic looks that come together at the end that form a rainbow. Silhouette is minimal, very luxurious fabrics, vegan faux fur, a lot of texture and shine. I think this is a big cleansing of the palette, and I'm really excited for minimalism. Must-have pieces. Well, you definitely need a faux fur coat. I love my new suiting. You'll see very slim tailored suiting, stretch satin fabrics. Hair and makeup, we did a sparkly eye, sort of an iridescent eye. For hair, we did a slick back ponytail, minimal.